touch with your sphere is critical, right? And providing your sphere with information they find relevant is the key to stay top of mind. After all, real estate is local. Did you know you can create custom newsletters with your own local content in Marketing REsource? Yep, there are templates you can use to set up your own custom newsletter with all the local and micro-local content your sphere wants to hear about. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log into BHHS REsource and click on Marketing REsource. Step 2. Under Type, click Newsletter, and in the search bar, type Generic. Here you'll see all the templates you can choose from. We'll select Generic eCard, Flexible Layout, Co-Agent, since it's the most customizable. Step 3. Click Get Started and add the title, for example, March 2019 Newsletter. After you add your title, you will see the newsletter template ready for you to customize. Step 4. On the left side, you'll see the Story Management section, which allows you to turn features off and on and rearrange them on the page. If there's an element you don't want shown, simply click the check mark to turn that element off. Conversely, if there's an element you want to add, click the checkbox next to it. You'll see lots of elements as you scroll through Story Management. Here's a bit about what each of them are. Full width image. This is an image that goes across the whole page. Note, this is where you can add a video file or a photo. Videos must be in MP4 format. Full width text. This is text that goes across the whole page. Note, all placeholder text is in Latin, so you'll need to replace this text with your own custom text. Divider rule. This is a line that divides the sections. Note, you'll see numbers next to each of these elements, and those are to indicate where they appear on the page. Divider rule 1 appears above divider rule 2 on the page. 2 column. This is a section that includes a photo and text to go along with it. 3 column. This section has 3 columns, each with a photo and text below it. Below the Story Management, you'll see Co-Agent options. This is where you can change from 2 agents to 1. Just click the arrow next to 2 agents and change to 1 agent. Step 5. Once you have set up your Story Management elements and decided what content you want to include, it's time to add video, photos, and text. Make sure all of these elements are saved to a folder for easy access. This works like any other eCard, where you simply click the area you want to edit and insert what you want to appear there. Once you've edited each area, the yellow exclamation points will change to green check marks. Note, when adding text, you can always pull the text from the company-provided newsletter. And if you will be sending a custom e-newsletter, be sure to turn off the company newsletter via the action plans in the intranet. Step 6. Don't forget to change the generic subject to something interesting to get people to open your email. For instance, if you're going to include upcoming festivals in Roswell, then your subject might read, "What's happening in Roswell this month? Events, festivals, and real estate info." Make it something worth opening. Step 7. Once you've completed and proofed, you can click Preview on the top left to see how your newsletter looks, or click the email icon in the top right to select your recipients and send your newsletter. As with any eCard in the Resource Center, you can send to a group or individual contacts. And you can schedule your e-newsletter to go out on a specific day and time. The great thing about sending your newsletter through Marketing REsource is that after it's sent, you can get insights to see who has been opening your email. You can also see how many clicks each link got. It's always important to monitor how your content is performing. Now that you've set up your custom newsletter, each month you can simply copy it and change out the content for the next one. You may have some elements that stay the same from month to month, like a link to your home value tool or local video market reports. So you can just leave those as they are. It's a good idea to do a quick video message each month, just so your sphere sees your smiling face and hears from you directly about what's going on this month or with you. There are many flexible options with e-newsletters in Marketing REsource. Now you can provide relevant, custom content to stay engaged with your sphere so they remember you the next time they think about real estate. Now that's good to know.